Do you wish to make an enriching career in the field of education? Are you already a teacher looking forward to upskill your knowledge in the field of preschool education? We have already developed more than 500 teachers who have been well placed in various schools.
Welcome to Bright Montessori Teacher Training, an ISO 9001-2008 certified institute, an initiative of Bright Kid Montessori House, the largest chain of Montessori house in Bangalore, and with centers in other cities also. Getting trained in Bright Montessori Teacher Training not only provides you the opportunity to enrich yourself with deep understanding of Montessori methodology, but also prepares you as a confident Montessori teacher through our various teaching and communication tips and guidance provided throughout our course. We have trained more than 500 teachers in Montessori method in last 5 years in Bangalore who are highly successful and are well placed in various schools. We have world-class online theory classes with full explanation and the demonstration video for various Montessori activities. You can take the theory classes online anywhere, anytime and any number of times. You also get ample opportunity to do elaborate hands-on practice classes using wide range of Montessori materials at nearby Bright Kid Montessori centers. These practice classes can be chosen at your convenient timing of our center operation. As we know, experience is the best teacher. So, we give you the opportunity to experience learning by practicing in our centers. You will learn 125 plus different Montessori activities of exercises of practical life, sensorial, language, arithmetic and enrichment. We follow international curriculum and pedagogy, and you can get certificate in 6 months' time on completion of your course. You will be doing 6 online theory modules covering 125 plus lecture videos and quizzes. There will be 6 live web-based classes for doubt clearing and group discussions, 16 to 24 practice classes. You need to prepare 4 Montessori presentation files and a project work. Evaluation is based on 2 written theory exams, midterm and final, and 1 practical examination. Opportunities for you as future Montessori educator is immense. Be a teacher. Our students get well placed as teacher in top schools, even few of them are now working abroad. Move up in career. Many of our students have moved up in their teaching career in their workplace. Be a Montessori entrepreneur. Our student list includes students chasing their dream of starting their own Montessori schools. Reach out to the world as the demand for Montessori education is rising across the world. You can even teach your own child. With increasing awareness of Montessori, the demand of Montessori-trained professionals in good preschools and international schools is highest among all methods of early childhood learnings. Now, it is your turn to know this method and make it enriching profession for you. Enquire now. Seeing is believing. You can take a trial class. See it for yourself. It's all free. Visit our website www.brightkidmont.com to know more about Bright Montessori Teacher Training, its syllabus, its course structure and also for enrolling in free trial class, or call our admission counselor 93425 33377 for more details. Thank you for watching this video.